Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you about an interference field. It is one of the 5 missing things from all health regimens. And an interference field is a place in your body where there's a traffic jam, and specifically from a trauma. So either I got hit in the head by a baseball, or I had a C-section, or I fell on my tailbone or sacrum, or I had whiplash. Anywhere you've had stitches or a broken bone, these are all potentially interference fields, as well as all piercings and all tattoos. And if you think about your body, energy is always in motion, and in our body, we are one unit of circulation. And then let's say somebody breaks their forearm and now they have a big scar here. And especially the scars where you could still see them, or where people say, ooh, it's tender, or I don't have as much feeling, that is an interference field. So number one, it will block the flow of energy down my arm, and therefore I may end up with upper arm pain, shoulder pain, or even a root canal in this tooth because the flow of energy is not moving. The second thing is that this scar might actually reflex to my kidney, and 3 years after this happens, I now have low back pain, and it doesn't come up on any lab test whatsoever at all. It's because of the scar. So the interference field could block the flow, it could create a problem where it is, and it can reflex to other parts of your body. And it is possible for it to take 20 years to fully take down that kidney. And so this happens when I'm 13, and when I'm 30 or 40, suddenly that person has a kidney problem. So I really want to make sure you understand this so that you can help yourself to heal this. The castor oil and the mud therapy are 2 of the simplest ways you can heal your interference field and stop it from being an interference field. So check out some more of my videos. Call, email, text, order some mud supply and castor oil, and get your interference field to be erased, and you will have a healthy day.